These are some more elevators to the student mail center, I guess, and the basement levels at Rockwell Hall at Duquesne University in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These ones are some Westinghouse or Schindler elevators with RT fixtures. We'll go down to ground. Here at ground. That's a creepy meter thingy. We'll go up to 1. Case 5 elevators, if I didn't already mention that. Here at 1. We'll go back down to the basement, which, why is it between ground and 1? That's weird. Here's your certificates in the physical plant building, and judging by that sign, there is a phone in there. Yep, ADA, looks fairly new. Pretty basic cabs. One of the handrails removed. Here's Big Brother, like in every other elevator here. Here back at basement. Here it closes, and that's going to be it.